Baltimore, Maryland. Forget any preconceived notions. This city is more than just a dot on the map. It's a living, breathing entity with a soul that captivates. This city is a revelation, a delicious cocktail of history, grit, and undeniable charm. Every corner tells a story, every street has a past, and every building has a heartbeat. From the revitalized Inner Harbor to cobblestone streets whispering tales of Edgar Allan Poe, Baltimore grabs you and doesn't let go. It's a city that surprises. Just when you think you've seen it all, Baltimore reveals another layer, another hidden gem waiting to be discovered. A city that stays with you. The memories you make here are not just fleeting moments but lasting impressions that linger long after you've left. The Inner Harbor is Baltimore's beating heart, a vibrant and bustling area that draws both locals and tourists alike. It's a place where the city's rich history meets modern attractions, creating a unique and dynamic atmosphere. This waterfront playground is a feast for the senses, offering a delightful mix of sights, sounds, and smells. The gentle lapping of the water against the docks, the sight of boats bobbing in the harbor, and the distant hum of conversations all blend together to create a lively ambiance. With street performers showcasing their talents, bustling shops filled with unique treasures, and the irresistible aroma of fresh seafood wafting through the air, there's always something to capture your attention. The energy here is palpable, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely day out. Start your Baltimore adventure with a stroll along the harbor promenade. Watch sailboats glide by, their sails billowing in the breeze. The promenade offers stunning views of the water and the city skyline, making it an ideal place for a relaxing walk or a scenic jog. Listen to the laughter of children playing in the fountains, their joy echoing through the air. Families gather here to enjoy the water features, creating memories that will last a lifetime. The fountains are a favorite spot for kids to cool off on a hot day, adding to the harbor's charm. No trip to the Inner Harbor is complete without a visit to the National Aquarium. This world-renowned attraction is home to thousands of marine creatures, offering an immersive experience that educates and entertains. For a taste of maritime history, climb aboard the USS Constellation, a majestic Civil War-era warship. Explore the decks and imagine life at sea during a pivotal time in American history. Hungry? The Inner Harbor is teeming with restaurants, from upscale seafood grills to casual crab shacks. Whether you're in the mood for a gourmet meal or a quick bite, you'll find plenty of options to satisfy your cravings. Grab a table with a view and dig in, enjoy fresh seafood, delicious local dishes, and the vibrant atmosphere of waterfront dining. The combination of great food and stunning views makes for an unforgettable dining experience. So come and explore all that Baltimore's Inner Harbor has to offer. There's something here for everyone, and every visit promises new adventures and lasting memories. The National Aquarium is a Baltimore icon, a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists alike. Nestled in the heart of the Inner Harbor, it stands as a beacon of marine education and conservation. Prepare to be amazed as you come face to face with sharks, rays, and thousands of other aquatic creatures. The aquarium houses over 20,000 animals, representing more than 800 species from all over the world. Don't miss the mesmerizing jellyfish exhibit, a symphony of color and movement. These delicate creatures float gracefully, their translucent bodies illuminated by vibrant lights. Tip: buy your tickets online to avoid the lines. This not only saves you time but also ensures you get the best experience without the hassle of waiting. Just steps away from the aquarium, you'll find another piece of maritime history: historic ships in Baltimore. This collection of historic vessels offers a unique glimpse into the past. This floating museum features 4 historic vessels, including the USS Torsk, a World War II submarine. The USS Torsk is renowned for its service during the war. Climb aboard and step back in time as you explore the cramped quarters and imagine life at sea. The narrow passageways and compact living spaces give you a true sense of the challenges faced by submariners during wartime. Pro tip: wear comfortable shoes as you'll be doing a lot of walking and climbing. The historic ships are spread out over a large area, and exploring them thoroughly requires a fair bit of physical activity. Baltimore is steeped in history. No site embodies this more than Fort McHenry, the birthplace of the Star-Spangled Banner. Stand on the ramparts where Francis Scott Key penned the national anthem during the War of 1812. Feel the weight of history as you explore the fort's well-preserved ramparts and barracks. Baltimore has a quirky side too. Every May, the city comes alive with the Kinetic sculpture race, a hilarious and chaotic spectacle that sees teams race human-powered sculptures through the streets and harbor. It's a sight you won't soon forget. Beyond the inner harbor, Baltimore's diverse neighborhoods beckon. Fells Point, with its cobblestone streets and 18th century waterfront, is a charming blend of history and nightlife. Explore antique shops, dine at waterfront restaurants, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Baltimore's food scene is a delicious reflection of its working-class roots. Seafood reigns supreme here, especially the Maryland blue crab. Don't leave town without trying a Baltimore crab cake, a crispy, flavorful patty bursting with jumbo lump crab meat. Getting around Baltimore is easier than you might think. Baltimore is a surprisingly walkable city, especially the inner harbor and surrounding neighborhoods.
For longer distances, the Charm City Circulator, a free shuttle service, is a convenient option.
Baltimore is great year-round, but spring and fall are ideal, with mild, pleasant weather. Pack layers, comfortable shoes, and a raincoat or umbrella. Like any major city, Baltimore has its share of crime. By taking basic precautions, you can ensure a safe trip. Be aware of your surroundings, especially at night. Keep your valuables secure and out of sight. Follow these tips to enjoy all that Baltimore offers. Baltimore is a city that gets under your skin. It's a city of grit and grace, of history and modernity, of world-class attractions and hidden neighborhood gems. So come experience Baltimore for yourself. Explore its historic streets, indulge in its culinary delights, embrace its quirky charm. You might just find yourself planning your return trip before you even leave.